Yes, I. Greetings again in the mighty name of Rastafari. You know, see? Mm. So Trump get the boat. Yeah. Mark Gold take it over Lisa Anna. But it's a Trump thing now. Trump thing is a more that don't know, more dynasty type of thing I go on over there. So I'm not even to pay that no mind. You see me? But Lisa Anna now, you don't know in the early days I man did that work for Lisa Anna take it. You know, see? And Mark Gold didn't get it. So what we all do? The people them game it. So you see, so we have to just work with it. You see. But overall, that one here, what I read is a warning for Philip Paulwell. You see. From the day I warn you Philip Paulwell, boy, you lose movement in East Kingston for the past 30 of the years, 3 decades, or probably more. You know see. Well, what happened right now is that's ants in your milk. You know see, because it's a little labor right one around a Mountain View, you know, him they try to get the youth them for switch the place and come forward for them. You know see it. Because him know the system set. See, and if you know the system set, make Paul Burke explain it to you. Because it look like you don't know. You know see it. Mm-hmm. But again, true me I show you say, it's true Siaga set it away where it is like it imprint. You know, the people that might come like it come hereditary. Because the youth them just follow them parents too. And that's die hard PNP. I don't have nothing against that. You know, see it, but still me I say the reward and the compensation for all of that die hard support. Now there. You get what I say? Just it loose. You know, see it. And that all on be off, no assumption. Because they don't know me a part of the project. You know, see it. Fix up gunboat beach, trust and give to the youth them. Seeing the youth them can set up some style and have some little a source of hustling and even some big man. You know, see, reason with the people them we have a factory them in the East Kingston and make them offer the youth them some little apprenticeship project so that the youth them can have a future, see a future, have prospects, see hopes, have hopes. You know, see it, even if a youth don't get a job, him know say the possibility is there next time around him get one. You know, see, that's hope. You know, see, not even that the youth them now have. You know, see, you turn your back so much, that's me I tell you, so the labor right youth from around a Mount View there should look up South Central, South St. Andrew, should look what him name, you know. You know, see, all I intimidate the youth them, I don't want to threaten them, I pressure them with prison sentence and all them things there. Criminal allegation and all them things there for police hold on upon them and put them in a jail because the youth them never switch the place and go for him way. You see, all of them things happen right underneath your nose and you don't even pay, you don't even realize, you don't even pay attention because it's the people them where you think say your ears on the ground, and them are the MP run a Mountain View ears too. You see it? You see it? If him pay them, but him could have paid them better than you, because you don't know what you mean, because you have a history of that for not doing anything for the people them where support and maintain your position. You see it? That's your MO that. So, no doubt, that the man there, the labor right there on a month, you could have paid the man them, the substantial man them in the place more than you. You see? Obviously, you don't do nothing. See? So now, because the way you do, if you still stand aside and make the man them persecute the youth them because the youth them never give the place in favor, give them the favor East Kingston. You know, see, or South St. Andrews. You know, see, because the whole of them just sit down there, not even maintain, that put out an effort for maintain for the same position of power. You know, see, when they never realize what's going on. You know, see, you're a leak. And if the man them succeed in them endeavor, it's duly so because again you're a leak. And if you're a leak, I just saw the thing go. The politics is a business, you know. You know, see, and come like all alone not recognize it as such. Because from the PNP campaign for the national election, we now move like so well then. It's a hierarchy where Uno are going to inherit it next. You know, see it? Next thing again, infighting and all of them things there. You don't now pay attention to the project. The whole PNP party a leak like a tire. You know, see, even before Mark Golden coming to power, he must say, "Man, put film crony in the Senate." And him they reaching the power here. Want the people them have a film crony. Support them, you know what I say? You just make sure you want to maintain the whole thing. You know, see, and I the only reason why that I overlook all your thing because you remember your friend. You know, see, and PNP party, they develop a concept of late where them forgot everything where them a come from and forgot all of them friend them, all of the people them put them with them there. People will suffer for put them with them there too. Them turn them back on them and call them Dan and call them terrorists. You know, see it? So we just hope Mark Golden retract that step there. And remember where I come from and remember what maintain the grassroots of Jamaica politics. You know, see it? And you can't deal with Jamaica like Jamaica as some first world country. You know, see, because first world country I do the same thing them where them are telling them enough to do for maintain power. But that's what happened to Donald Trump over there just the other day gone here. A 1 week female election take. You know, see, that's a blatant questionable incident. Very questionable too. You know, see. So corruption and them things they are nothing strange. You know them boy a thing when them a try to maintain for them power or take hold of power. You know see? So you just know where your bed spread. And that me I want you and I tell you right here now. You know see? Because it look like you know what to set another rather what you want to do. You want to be the instrument where set history for the GLP party. First black leader who is not a member or a bloodline relative of the elite for run the GLP party for 3 terms. Look under this graceful window where them win the other day from Uno. That coming like say a joke or something you want to hold on your head and cry about. You know see, PNP and Uno me attack. Mark Golden, you don't know the ball in your court here now. You know see, good luck to you. Remember where I come from. And tell your friend Philip PAULWELL for go do something out of Rockfort. Reason with cement company, shell company, flour mill and all of them top company that we pollute the year out of Rockfort. And tell them for home some apprenticeship project for the youth them. After the community, local youth, if you don't come from Rockfort, you can't get accepted in the program. You know see? And Bellevue, put some proper contribution towards Bellevue Foundation because the youth them at Rockfort are mad off and we don't know why. And them big factory out there with us sort of chemical burning and them type of thing they are going to pollute the atmosphere. You know see, nobody now get old to consequence for all of them things there. You know see. Fix up out a mineral, fix up out a gunboat, fix up out them nicely and plant up some nice coconut tree, plant by the coconut tree them out there and make the old people them from Rockfort and all over, the one them who used to love them style and have them little hustling and go on, the cane man them and the cane woman them. Put them out there. So that's them have a source of income. You know see it. So them can make money and set up some things out there where them can lock up them goods in there. You know see it. Set up transportation for them, get them goods out there. No matter how fuck we want to leave, just fix up the place and leave it to the people and the people will make it happen. More blessed. She like a ants in your milk. Yeah, me I want you again, Philip PAULWELL. Yeah, me say the man from round so one killer. Oh, Labour Red MP for one have revenge against Rockfort youth them. Because Rockfort youth them, it should even give you come nowhere close to this. This is a disgrace. By you, Philip PAULWELL. Me I want you from the other day. You move lazy and low, you know, blood clot. Me don't even know you did so long, you know. Me not telling a lie. Me not telling a lie. Oh, nobody not challenge you for that seat there yet. Me no know, I saw me no corruption, thick and strong no blood. Yeah, share, like and subscribe.